What's up, guys? Welcome back to RWD Status, chilling with your boy Status. And today is the day after of a horrible incident that happened last night. But as you can see, I crashed, I hit a wall, and my body kit is kind of fucked up. Just a little fucked up. Yeah. So today we're gonna fix that. You see the damage, my Spirit Ray bumper, or what's left of it. And basically we zip tied it and it kept sliding. But the more I look at it, it's really not that bad. I'm gonna try to do a little quick fix because it is gonna take some time before I'm able to get this fixed. One, this is Rosso Corsa paint, not exactly cheap. Two, Spirit Ray bumper, not cheap, not easily accessible, so it's kind of a bitch. What? Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. So today we're gonna try to do a little quick fix. We're gonna do a little bit of patching and see if we can at least bring this thing slightly back. Yeah, I should show them your hood, right? So yeah, we're gonna do a little patching work and see if we can make this thing drift ready again. Yeah. Yeah, kind of like G-ready. I mean, gritty. This is what we're patching back up, and this is what we're sticker bombing with. So hopefully it turns out pretty good. It's gonna be better than this anyway, right? So today's tools we have peroxide. We have some alcohol, some Gorilla Tape, and a Gritty RZ blow-off valve. It's an RS, but whatever, I don't care. We don't need that. All right, but realistically, I'm gonna grab some of this alcohol, pop this sucker open. And you're gonna dump it on there like that. Ah! Let's just dump it all over.
Don't waste it. Don't waste it.
Wasting it?
Dude, you can literally see the same mark on the fence. This is like an artifact right here. Like a, what do you call it? A fossil. It's engraved in your mark.
That's what we're working with. Nice and cleaned. Some alcohol just to clean the surface area because we're gonna be using an adhesive and you wanna make sure that this thing sticks. So, like I said, on that shit. Oh yeah, look at that drip. Ooh, holy smokes. You see those screws just sticking out the bottom? God! We're probably gonna go back to Indruko again, so. Dude, I need your help. All right, there we go. Surface area is all cleaned up and all fucked up.
Dude, I don't know where to use that sticker.
Hold on. All right, we got the first step down. Clean the surface off. Let it dry a little bit. It's fairly dry. I mean, alcohol dries really fast. Look at that. I'm gonna need a new one of these. Let's go Type X this time. So now we're gonna start patching. I like to do like a weaving thing when I do it. I've done it to my friend's hood already, and it came out pretty badass. And he basically crashed and shattered the crap out of that. So I brought it back, and he's still using it, so it should work fairly good.
Only flexes slightly.
Fairly well. The flex is actually The flex is not my fault though. Seriously, the flex is because the support mount or whatever is probably like not all there. You know what I mean?
The flex is because the hood was fucking almost like this.
But it's not anymore, is it? It's all badass now.
Duct tape all together, which is good.
See? You see? Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, especially when you're in the drift world, you know what I mean? And we're 240 owners or whatever, JDM as fuck, bruh. Okay, so got the microfiber, like it freaking matters, because it doesn't matter if you're leaving scratches all over it, you just wanna make sure everything is clean, you know? Scratches, get the fuck now. All right, we got that part down. Open this up. And this is very important to start with because depending on how you start, it's going to end up how you finish. And you don't want it to look like complete ass. And you want to try to keep some kind of structural integrity there. Like, I mean, whatever you can, you know what I mean? So that's the reason why I went with Gorilla Tape. It's pretty good. You know, some strong crap. The average duct tape always loses like the adhesive fairly fast. So I'm gonna have Mauricio help me out here real quick. Let me grab a knife.
You wanna fix that front before you put this tape on?
What, the side?
Yeah.
The hole you mean?
Yeah. No, not the hole. The zip tie here. You said you want to move it up so it doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, we might not have to mount it because the duct tape might hold it up if you're looking for the little knife that you have.
Oh yeah, you can we could put this up no problem.
Yeah.
No big deal.
Alright, that was our temporary fix right there. Temporary unfix.
And it's going to be actually you could.
Yeah, it'll be perfect. You can put it right back where it goes or put a zip tie in.
If you could take the wheel off, we could probably just drill right into it. Or we could, yeah, just zip tie from here to here.
I'd rather just drill right there through the side. So.
Okay, and you might need to take the wheel off.
Okay, that's what I'll do real quick.
Or we drill a hole into it first
and then
put it in, but then...
All you gotta do is mark it first. Look, mount it up right here.
Honestly,
put a marker through there.
Like we literally just get a big zip tie and just go from the top of here to the bottom of here, tie it tight.
Nah, because then
it's gonna tag.
I have to sticker bomb that area, and I don't want to really. Snicker bomb. All right, a lot of you guys are gonna call me ghetto, haggard, whatever the case is. This is literally a temporary fix. I have an event next weekend. It's a 12-hour event. I gotta buy enough tires. I gotta get wheels. I have a lot of other things I need to do as far as maintenance-wise, and that's why I'm going the cheap route right now. It's not gonna stay this way, guys. This, I promise, will not stay like this. I will be getting another bumper, most likely the same one. I was gonna go polyurethane, or the urethane, whatever you wanna call it, bumpers, plastic bumper. But it takes away from the look of the car. So I'll end up probably doing a poly front bumper eventually, if that whatever happens there. And I'm most likely gonna keep this one with the aftermarket fiberglass style. I really do like it. Just don't like damaging it. So I didn't even mark it. You know? Oh, my baby. All right. Here, let me just show you guys what's going on. All right, so exciting in here. All right, you can see all that damage there. We zip tied this area up right here, so everything's looking good. Body kit's lined up again. Now we can move on with the next step. So we got everything lined up. Now we're gonna start the patching. This is the fun part, guys. Alcohol.
Algorithm.
All right, so the alcohol helps significantly with the paint chipping. It softens it up, so it's not as hard and just not chipping everywhere. You know what I mean? So start off with the first strip. First strip is going to be fairly small.
This is how you gotta lay down the wall.
Because we're going to be literally, we're just mocking everything up. So we're going to start right here.
Cover this.
With stickers there. Yeah. Alright guys, so you can see this is really not the best weaving that I've done, but just try and make this work real quick. It's actually still holding its form, and once it's done I will do a more aesthetic weave on the top of that, and then we'll sticker bomb it. So it's actually coming together pretty well. I mean, if you call that well, but better than that gaping hole in it, you know what I'm saying? So alright, stay tuned guys, we'll show you more footage in a bigger update in a few seconds, probably like. Alright guys, update, check it out. I'm not even that mad about it. Let me focus this in. Look at that, it looks like complete ass. But it's coming along. Let's just pray and hope.
The integrity is almost there.
The integrity is there. Let's just pray and hope that my idea is gonna work out as it worked out in my head, because it's looking bigger and bigger. I wasn't expecting it that much duct tape on the back of the car.
Actually, look at the bright side. If it falls off, the crowd goes crazy.
Who cares?
Who cares?
Dude, that's Gorilla Tape. That isn't going anywhere, bro.
Oh yeah, that's some real stuff there.
Alright, well I gotta finish that up, and yeah. Alright, there we go. I think we might be done with this part of the stage. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put another piece right here. And then we can start the sticker bombing. Yeah! Fuck yeah! What do you think, bro?
Billy Mays here is a power gorilla tape.
Alright, well, you're totally going on my channel with that.
Alright. Cover. There you go, right there.
Like that, right?
No, down. Yeah, right there.
Really? I think it'll look cooler like that.
What else do you cover?
That one
Because it covers up all the edges of the duct tape, which is the ugliest part. You know what I mean? But then again,
Or should I put it like that?
There you go. Yeah, and it covers up the whole edge. And it also kind of covers up the fucking fence shit. Look at the big ass sticker. Tunk.
Alright guys, check it out. There we have it. Those are most of the stickers I have at the moment, but she's done. I don't think she looks that bad. It does take away from her beauty a little bit, but I mean, it is what it is. It has a purpose. To cover up the gauging hole and cracks all over my freaking bumper, and it did that just fine. So that's how I'm gonna leave it for a while until I you know, have some spare funds to get and paint a new bumper. But pretty stoked to how it turned out, pretty happy. And need some better lighting. But yeah, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, a little bit of work that we threw in, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Peace out, guys.
Aside from my soul.